In this hands-on session, we are going to create a blue-green deployment, a strategy to release new versions of an application with minimal downtime. We will start with the declarative method by writing YAML files for both the blue and green environments inside VS Code. Finally, we will explore how to debug and switch traffic between environments. Let's start by creating the blue and green deployments using the declarative method. Both YAML files define a deployment with 3 replicas. The blue deployment runs Nginx version 1.21, while the green deployment runs the new Nginx version 1.22. Labels version, blue and version green allow us to distinguish pods between the 2 environments. Each deployment uses a pod template specifying container name, image, and port. This setup ensures that 2 separate environments are running, ready to switch traffic safely when needed. We will create also a service that routes traffic the blue deployment, and after that make it switch traffic to the green deployment simply by changing labels. To create this objects, we use the following command: kubectl apply -f blue green deployment .yaml. Once the deployments are created, let's see how to debug and manage them. kubectl get deployments h-n default lists all deployments in the default namespace. kubectl get pods -lapp equals nginx -n default lists all pods of both blue and green deployments. kubectl describe deployment nginx blue and kubectl describe deployment nginx green enable us to see more detailed information about each deployment, including events and replica status like what we did before. kubectl logs pod name displays logs from a pod for debugging purposes using the specific pod name. So now after checking and testing the new version of the deployment, the green one, then we can switch traffic from the blue deployment to the green deployment by updating label in the service Nginx service. For this, we can use the following imperative command: kubectl patch service. If successful, you can later delete the created deployments in service using this commands: kubectl delete deployment and kubectl delete service. In summary, in this hands-on session, we created a blue-green deployment. We used declarative YAML files to create separate blue and green environments. We explored debugging pods and how traffic can be switched safely between versions. Blue-green deployment is a powerful strategy for minimizing downtime during updates and maintaining application stability.